introductory type video.
Hi, I just got back from Christmas Eve with my family. It's interesting. I won hide and seek because, I'm really good at disappearing. Like, weirdly good at it. So, anyway, I'm hoping you're having a good day. The Chinese food is delicious, and I like it. And I might be going slightly insane because my mom bought red velvet cake and I happen to have a lot of it. More than a human person should have cake. Like, not more than it was a lot of cake. It was a lot of cake. I enjoyed it quite a bit. So Christmas Eve is when my family on my dad's side get together. We went out for Italian food. And then we went over to my grandma's and we opened presents and we had cake. Yeah. They have tiny skulls and you know my love for skulls. I love skulls. Look at his tiny gingerbread people. Tiny gingerbread people. Look how happy they are. I hear movement. Remember that time we made out with a fish?